Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharmin. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for watching my videos and subscribing my channel. It's really helped me out to grow my small channel. Today's makeup look is this smoky eye makeup look, and I really like it how it turned out. And if you guys want to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so as you guys see, I have my full base makeup and my one eye is done. So I'm gonna show you how I did this eye. So for this, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. This one is Marvolas and Mauve from Dose of Color. And I believe they still have this eyeshadow palette. Look at this palette. It's all matte and all mauve tone. It's beautiful color. I just thought I will do all matte smoky eye kind of look. So I already have a concealer and I set my like with the setting powder. First I'm gonna start with this color. This is like a more like a baby pink kind of color, and I'm getting my big fluffier shader brush, and I'm just gonna get this and I'm gonna put this all over my eyelid. And I'm going back and forth, just getting the pigment. Now I'm gonna go with this next shade. It's more a little more like a gray tone to it, and I'm using the same brush, and I'm starting from the outer V and I'm just dragging to inner corner, and I'm just trying to blend in the same time like that, and going back that gray shade. I'm trying to build like color, and as well I'm just make more like a smoky look to it. And I'm trying to drag it more like a lifted eye look, more like wing shape. Then I'm going back to this next shade, which is this dark, little bit darker than this tone, and I'm putting it like a same on top of it, and I'm just gonna tap it on just to like focus on my eye, like eyelid. Then I'm gonna go with like clean big flat blending brush, nothing on it, and I'm just gonna blend the edges. Then I'm gonna go with this shade again and using my first shader brush, and I'm gonna tap it again. This palette has like all matte shade and they're not patchy at all. They're blending it out really nice, like it's so pretty, and they have like enough pigment. Now I'm gonna go with this pencil brush. Now I'm gonna go with this middle shade, and I'm gonna put this on my lower lashes. This eye makeup is very easy, like you just need to blend properly the edges. Like it's like a smoky eye, but it's not that hard. So I'm getting this smudger brush, and I'm getting this dark shade from the palette, and I'm gonna put this on my outer V and trying to put it like close to my eyelash. And I'm gonna make like a little wingy shape with this brush. Then I'm gonna go with my first shader brush, and I'm nothing on it. Whatever left over, I'm just gonna blend the edges. Then I'm gonna go back with this dark shade, dark plummy tone, and I'm gonna put this on the outer V. Then I'm gonna go back to my blending brush, nothing on it, and I'm just gonna blend the edges. Makeup is all about blending, to be honest. Like if you just go back and forth using that same shadow and you just try to more like a smoky look with it, and that's what I'm trying to create with this. And as long as you're happy with it, then you can stop. I'm getting my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eye pencil. This one is Alkaline, and this color is more like a plummy tone color, and I'm just gonna putting on my lower lashes in my waterline. And I'm trying to put this into my waterline as well as on my lash line as well, my lower lashes, because I'm gonna smoke it out. I'm gonna go on with my angle brush, nothing on it, and whatever left over, I'm just gonna blend the edges on the lower lashes. For mascara, I'm using this Sky High from Maybelline. Now for lashes, I'm using my House of Lashes. This one, I believe the style is iconic, and this is one of my favorite lash, to be honest. It's so pretty. And I'm gonna put this on off camera, then I'll be right back. For my inner corner, I'm getting this highlighter from Glow Sugar Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's this highlighter, and I'm using this like a pencil brush. So I'm gonna get this highlighter for my face, then on my higher point of my cheek. It's beautiful highlighter. It has like a pinky duochrome kind of tone to it, which I feel like it's gonna go with my look. For my lip, I used Stella Patina liquid lips. I feel like this one has more like a pinky tone, pinky nude tone on it, like a Mauve tone, and which I like. Except my face, I'm just gonna use my setting spray from Morphe. And this is my completed look. And I really like it how it turned out, and you can choose any eyeshadow color to do this smoky eye look, because it's all about blending. It's very easy to do. And yeah, I chose this color, but you can choose any color for eyeshadow. And yeah, I really like it, and I feel like I need to go out now since we are not going out. But I hope you guys will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribing my channel. So see you in my next video. Bye guys.